This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to summon your Tesla Model S. First, make sure your vehicle has the necessary hardware, which includes the full self-driving capability or enhanced autopilot package. You'll also need the Tesla mobile app installed on your smartphone, ensuring it's updated to the latest version. This allows seamless communication between your phone and your car, enabling you to control its movements remotely. We'll cover both basic and smart summon functionalities. To use basic summon, simply open your Tesla app and select your Model S. Tap on the summon icon. You'll then see options to move your car forward or backward. Press and hold the respective button, and your car will slowly move in that direction. Remember, basic summon works best when your vehicle is within about 12 meters or 40 feet of your position and you maintain a clear line of sight. For Smart Summon, which offers more advanced navigation, open the Tesla app and go to the Summon section. You'll see a map interface. Drop a pin on the map to indicate where you want your Model S to drive. Then, press and hold the Go to Target button. Your car will autonomously navigate to that spot, avoiding obstacles. Always supervise your vehicle closely during this process. Safety is paramount when using summon features. Always keep a direct line of sight to your Model S and be ready to release the button if needed. Summon is intended for use on private property, like parking lots, not public streets. Ensure all doors and the trunk are securely closed before starting any summon maneuver. This helps prevent unexpected issues and ensures a smooth, safe experience every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.